According to the Transport Ministry's Road Safety Unit, 484 persons lost their lives as a result of crashes on Jamaica's roadways in 2021. Most of them were because of speeding. Minister of National Security Dr. Horace Chang is confident that there will be changes in the behavior of drivers on the nation's roads as the new digital traffic ticketing system is rolled out across the island. He gave an update in the lower house this week. Raquel Robinson reports.
The pilot of the new electronic traffic ticket management system (TTMS) was launched on December 30, 2021 with 100 handheld devices. Minister Chang says 72 ticketing machines are now being used.
Disorder on our roads is one of the sure signs of indiscipline and disorder. And it is no question if we can get appropriate quality order on our roadways, it will have an impact on the entire character of society.
The minister notes that before the implementation of the new traffic ticketing system, there were up to 340,000 tickets within the court system that could not be accounted for. He is confident that this new system will help prevent that in the future.
In the first 90 days, they did 25,000 tickets on their boats. I think today they have no boat. And the process, we collected over $18 million, so the investment in doing it better has a high rate of return.
Currently, traffic tickets can be paid at the Tax Administration of Jamaica (TAJ) office, whether online or inline, within 21 days, after which it becomes a court matter.